how to plant pumpkins or how to transplant pumpkins. Hello everybody, welcome to Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today we're gonna be talking about how to plant and grow pumpkins. Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to plant pumpkins or how to transplant pumpkins. These are pumpkins that I nurse in the greenhouse, and they are ready to be transplanted into the garden. So as you see, the wind is out today, so I'm gonna show you how to transplant pumpkins or how to plant pumpkins. And this is a garden bed. I'm just gonna dig a little hole. You can use a tool like this, or you can use your hand. Dig a little hole, not too deep. And what I do is I just put a little bit of garden tune fertilizer in there. It's organic fertilizer, so just sprinkle a little garden tune around and at the bottom of the hole and around. Then what I do is just take out my plant like this. Just take out a plant from inside here with the root system. Just take out like that. Just put it like that with the roots, and then I just cover it. Just cover it up with the soil. And that is it. We planted our pumpkin. So now we're just gonna water it. So we just water. You want to make sure that you soak it. And that is it. We planted our pumpkin. I know I have some snails in this garden, and in order to protect it, I'm just gonna use eggshells like this and just crush the eggshells and just sprinkle them around the plant. That would help prevent snails from coming to the plant and eating the plant. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and also stay tuned for other videos that are gonna give you more information on how to care for your pumpkin plants. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share. Thank you and happy growing.